How to snooze someone on Facebook. Have you ever had the need to turn off the posts of a person or group for a certain period of time, but you don't want to block them? Stay until the end and find out how you can do it with the snooze option. Okay, to put someone on the snooze list on Facebook, we have to open Facebook. When Facebook opens, tap on the menu in the lower right corner of the screen. When the options appear, find the Settings option in the Settings and Privacy section. When you tap on it, a bunch of options will appear. We need the Content Preferences option. When we tap on it in the list, we will find the snooze option and tap on it. A list of friends and groups we have will appear here. Simply scroll through the list and tap the snooze button next to the profile to add someone to this list. You will be on the list for 30 days, and during that period, you will not receive notifications from that person or group. After 30 days, everything will be back to normal. That's all. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.